stupid with it, but it's a third and fourth, fifth gear kind of roll on.
Right.
It's probably not much different than the Black Series 65. Just tooling around. What made our job easy on these cars, and we didn't know this when we started tinkering with them 7 years ago, is that when Ford gave the order to the engineering department to have this car ready in 2004 for the 100th anniversary, they only had like 2 years to build it. So when they went to all their suppliers, including the engine guys and the transmission guys, they said, look, just overbuild it, over-engineer the whole deal. We don't have time to redo anything. And so that's why this transmission can handle 1,000 plus horsepower. I mean, the Venom GT transmission, that's what it is.
Is it really?
It's the same transmission. Yeah. This is the engine that I wanted to put in the Venom GT.
Really?
We just couldn't package it because of the double overhead cam setup. I'm debating, I may go, I'm kind of on the fence on what I do on F5. I mean, we have a package now that works great, it's super reliable. You know, we know how to do it, but if I could package, you know, Ford would help me still continue to source this motor. It's easy to make power. Yeah, it's got a little whistle to it, so I'm at like 1,500 RPM in fifth gear, and it just starts when I'm going. That's 2,000 RPM. It's just effortless. It's just effortless.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So it's just driving. It's like driving a big block, you know. That was about 60% throttle.
Are you kidding me?
When you get on it, man, it's
oh my God.
Yeah, they'll hear you coming. Yeah, it's exhilarating for sure. Special car in that one. So we'll spin the tires at first.
Yes. Okay.
But otherwise, it's a pussycat. Just burn on down the road.